In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document using Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know how to go from a simple idea to a clean downloadable PDF in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and head to perplexity.ai. This is where everything happens. On the homepage, you'll see a prominent text box where you can talk to the AI. Think of this as your command center. Whatever you type here guides the entire document you're about to create. Next, type your prompt. For example, you could write, generate a PDF report of electric cars in 2026. Be as clear and specific as you can. If you already know the structure you want, include it right in the prompt. You might say, include an introduction, market overview, top models, pricing comparisons, battery technology trends, and a short conclusion. You can also set expectations like word count, tone, or whether you want bullet points or full paragraphs. If you need citations or a brief references section, ask for that too. The more context you provide, the closer the PDF will be to your vision. Avoid adding any private or sensitive information. Stick to general content needs and formatting guidance. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Depending on your screen, this may appear as a paper plane icon or a button labeled Submit. Give it a moment to process. Perplexity will generate the content and display a preview of the PDF it's about to create. Scroll through this preview and review the headings, the flow, and any data points. If something feels off, maybe you want a different tone, a new section, or tighter summaries, adjust your prompt or add a short follow-up instruction in the same chat, then submit again. Small refinements here can make a big difference in the final result. Once you're happy with the preview, look for the download option. Click download, then choose download as PDF. Your browser will either save it automatically to your default downloads folder or ask you where to put it. Pick a clear file name and location so you can find it easily later. After it downloads, open the file to confirm the formatting, headings, and page breaks look right. If you spot anything you'd like to tweak, jump back to the chat, refine your instructions, and repeat the preview and download steps. That's it. You've just created a polished PDF with Perplexity AI, from prompt to preview to download quickly and confidently.